Alright guys, some of you might have encountered the problem with Photoshop when you download a picture, a PNG file from the internet, and want to edit it in Photoshop in order to make some thumbnails or whatever you want to do, is that it's obviously a PNG file, silver trophy PNG, and when you pull it right here it says not a PNG file. So here's how to fix it. Just open the file here, right click it, open it with Paint, and then when you got it in Paint, just save it under another name and choose PNG again. I choose fix PNG, and now it's right here in this folder, fix PNG. Both are PNG files, and now I put it here in Photoshop, and voila, I can edit the file. So don't be mad and try to find another picture on the internet. Just do that fix and you will be happy. So if I could help you, I'm very happy too, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.